In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean Kanban view that's easy to navigate and share with your team. Start by opening airtable.com in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, head to the workspace where your data lives and click into the app or base you want to work with. This is where your tables and views are stored, so make sure you're in the right place before you continue. Look to the left side of the screen for the Views panel. Click Create New to add a fresh view to the current table. This opens a menu of view types. You'll see options like Grid for spreadsheet style work, Calendar for date-driven planning, Gallery for card style records, and more. Each one organizes the same records in a different way without changing your underlying data. For this walkthrough, choose Kanban. Kanban is perfect for visual workflows where records move through stages, like to do, in progress, and done, or where you want to group by a person or status. After selecting Kanban, give your view a clear descriptive name. Good names make it easy for collaborators to understand when and how to use the view later. Next, set who can edit this view. You can keep editing open to collaborators who already have base access, or restrict it so only specific roles can make changes. Choose the option that matches how you want to manage consistency and collaboration. When you're ready, click Create New View. Airtable will prompt you to choose a stacking field. Stacking determines how the Kanban columns are grouped. Pick a field that makes sense for your workflow. Common choices are status, priority, or the person assigned to a task. Select Assignee as the stacking field so each column represents a person responsible for the work. If you don't have a suitable field yet, create a new single select field. Single select is great for Kanban because it keeps columns consistent and easy to scan. Add the options you expect to use so new records land in the right place. When your choices look good, click Done. Your Kanban view is now active. You can drag records between columns to update their value in the stacking field, adjust which fields appear on each card, and apply filters or sorting to focus on what matters most. Remember, this view reorganizes your records without changing your data structure, so you can safely experiment. That's it. Your new Kanban view is ready to go. Thanks for following along and enjoy organizing your work with Airtable.